30 H3 MPP said as an electoral commission no or revise register annually 2021 no say ye revise near limited registration one ye 2022 one ye and you do 2023 now if you look at the statistics you have a backlog of no less than 3 million eligible voters also come you do omudiako register so as say omudini so now in 2020 mu ye limited registration am here no mu open polling stations in kwana say registration centers 1500 the electoral commission ya why so brache no 1500 stations and mu open here na ene mu koya ya 2023 arguably a larger number na musimu open centers no only 265 Kodeo CDD Imani Ghana why civil society why nan ka ho asem me no was talking about IPAC ewo ho no IPAC buy ansana Jimensa had been a very close friend of IPAC no criticize Afarijan and Charlotte say obetake over why are so brachia to the extent say or say decision of IPAC in there and you're binding to one for IPAC near Juma. How do you expect us say young kofa your expertise and for Mumbra IPAC and match dream now Charlotte Jean Mensa unquano what dream no sabe what dream no to what extent what dream by papa chain a dom adream no at wagu you can't some na what one no they are two das beam so NDC you value your nyansa ni adream we will never be part of a programmer and as a decision making fire dream nyajuma nanwa IPAC for equation NDC yankobi but parties are including MPP say adwia omuso so aye no enya no na ma me de adwuma no entimi nua say asemi abai your friends asasi what does it say why ye unua mo ne ade mo ye ntibia ye ka say mo ye ntobo a obetumi nya bia ko but me to no kofi esise that is why I'm talking enti mesre Ghana for nyina MPP for bi wo ha omso ye equally affected obi betware nsuo okofa guarantors ne ade these are practical challenges enu to yesre say ye de ye say be yemfa atuo say dem di kan no ya court say court no de mra be yadwuma de we feel say will be vindicated kofi wo hwe your friends judiciary it appears say ya na bim kaso NDC for ese ye anti judiciary ese friends a court for no ese ye tan won no but kofi the track record precedents a judge for ni bi and as a judiciary no asseti any niema owura Akufo-Addo bae oye any Ghana Bar Association now one more crass hypocrisy our my exhibit and a Joma Makasa the way he did. Kofi MPP by no my imagine said they will politicize every independent state institution. She papa ya no your friend is a regional communications team member, regional IT, directorate for the MPP and even national IT directorate for the NPP. Also Nyane Amakofan so ongotra electoral commission. Here boss my sorry, his posturing, we know him. MPP ni boss my sorry. But there's nothing wrong with Kofuti Autuaba. But what we expect of you is ube impartial. What they say? Said them rano shall now they heard. Kofi Ebra unim Gabriel Puamai.
Yeah.
Gabriel Puamai.
The justice of
Supreme Court. Unim Justice Apo. Ebra and this time. I think these are the only two people John Mahama appointed to the Supreme Court. The hypocritical Ghana Bar Association. I repeat, the hypocritical Ghana Bar Association. They went to court to challenge the appointment of Gabriel Puamai, the venerable justice, Justice Apau, to the Supreme Court, the apex court of the land. Echo court to say, what would you say? no, they are inclined. Political. You the Gabriel Pramade or is it CPP or PNC? PNC ni. On the political inclinations known. Gabriel Pramade. Kaso no. We a close associate of the then PNDC regime. And Ghana Bar Association yi court to challenge the appointment of these two venerable justices of the Supreme Court, and they didn't succeed. Well. Ura Boafuya, GBA president.
Yeah.
In 2004, there's this story by the Ghanaian Chronicle, published on July 1, 2004.